Hello guys, I'm here to share my L&T interview experience. I'm from civil engineering background. It's an on-campus placement and it's for graduate engineering trainee. And in this video, I'd like to share the interview questions that were asked to me. So the questions asked were introduce yourself. They asked me to introduce myself, including my family background. In the introduction, as I mentioned my internship, so they asked me what I learned from the internship, what I did in the internship. And while I was explaining, I saw beams and how the beam reinforcement is done. Then they asked me, why do we provide cover? Then I told, why do we provide cover? Then they asked me code specification for cover. All the values of cover for beams, columns, footing, slabs mentioned in the code. They asked me to tell these values. Then they asked me what is strength of concrete. Then they asked me what tests I did in the concrete technology lab. I mentioned specific gravity, slump test, compaction factor, and all other tests. They asked me specifically what is specific gravity. After that, they asked me to explain in brief about what I did, how it can be done, how the test can be done. That's all. And they told me to leave the meeting. It's an online interview. So it's just for 10 minutes. And for my friends, it was for 30 minutes, 20 minutes. Because it's based on the subject they have chosen. As I mentioned the internship in my introduction, so they asked me questions from my internship. Or else they will ask like what is your favorite subject? Then from that favorite subject, they will ask you questions. And the just like that happened to my friends. And then the tips for the interview are they will ask what is your favorite subject. So if you tell them that your favorite subject is concrete technology, they will ask like questions like why do we provide cover, strength of concrete, and all the concrete technology lab tests. Be thorough with all the lab tests what you did in the lab. They will ask how you did the slump test, how you did the compaction factor test, what is workability, and everything they will ask. So prepare well, those tests, prepare well. And if you tell them that your favorite subject is transportation engineering, they will ask you the transportation lab test like aggregate impact test and everything, the details about them. Next is types of payments, difference between those payments. Next is geotechnical. If you tell your favorite subject is geotech, then they will ask you what is consolidation, how you did the consolidation test, and plate load test, and everything, all the tests that you have done in the geotechnical lab. So be thorough with all the lab tests. So be thorough with the subject that you tell them. That what is your when they ask you what is your favorite subject, just tell them what you are confident in which subject you are confident in. Tell them that. Yeah, they will mostly they will ask questions from that subject only. That's all. Next is thanks for watching.